Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add products to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping. And to do so, it's very easy. Let's go to the settings button in the bottom left corner. And here, let's go to the Shopify App Store by going to Apps and Sales Channel here, and then Shopify App Store. And here, let's search for CJ Dropshipping. So CJ Dropshipping. And here is this app. So click on it once and then click on Install. After that, you will have to give it the permission and install it on your store. Then here, let's log into our account. So accept or reject the cookies. We don't really care here. So let's click on please read and agree and then log in and authorize. And here you will have many options to log in, either with Google or sign in by email and password. Let's just choose Google for this one. After that, once you are logged in properly, let's go back to the Shopify store. Click on this button and then let's go to products. And here select add products and keep this page open for the incoming product. And then here go back to the CJ Dropshipping website and scroll down to list CJ products to your stores. So click on it once, scroll down and then find the authorization section, which is this one, and click on Shopify. And then here click on add store to link your Shopify store to CJ Dropshipping. So here click on authorize again. Now, once you're here, choose just a product that you want. Let's say this electric scooter or whatever you want, really. So let's just take this one. Here we'll need to add to my products in the bottom section. So click on add to my products, then go back to my products here in the left section and click on it once. After that, this page will load and you will find all the products that you have. Okay, so here let's go to action and list. And here you'll find the product type, the details of the product, etc. and click on list it now. You have to select the category, right? So here for the product type, let's say scooter. Let's add scooter, for example. Tags, collection. Yeah, let's add it to the home page and then list it. Now we will have to add the price. So go to the variant pricing button in the panels and go to add your price. Here say it's $5,000 just for the example to explain to you how it works. So click on OK. So here we have done the products infos, the variant pricing here. Let's see if there is anything other than that. Click on list now. And then here it will be listing and the listing will be in progress. So that's it guys, that's how you do it. Basically we'll have to wait a few minutes and it will appear on your Shopify store. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.